Here we have for you a Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 1.6 litre TDI SE 115 PS. Now the car is a clear standout and it has a top spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, front and rear parking sensors, lane assist, a radar sensor control distance monitor, a city emergency brake, and that is alongside these 17-inch Kulmbach alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's huge and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, 2-zone climate control and a multi-device interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.